YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today what we're going to be discussing is I got some new brakes and some new rotors.
Digits on the beat.
So as you guys can see, I've already unboxed it, and these are the rotors. Man, these are some big freaking rotors. Huge. I mean, got some little nicks here and there, I'm guessing from the shipping, you know. Around here, some little nicks. But, I mean, it looks nice. Slotted and drilled. I know a lot of people have their opinions about slotted and drilled rotors, but I mean, their website says they're good and they reduce brake dust and all that good stuff. So we'll test them out once they're actually installed on the vehicle. Here are the actual pads. I'm not gonna take them out of that package. And here's the rest of the little compartments that goes along with the brakes. The other rotor. The other two are down there. And then I guess those are the front brake pads and the rear brake pads. So yeah. The name of the company is right here. All One Concepts. They have a lot of different type of brake pads. These are the Optimal OE P series. They have some ceramic ones. But these are the ones they had. It came with a package deal. So, like I stated before, I got all of this for, originally it was $580. But they had a 30% off discount that day when I ordered. So, all of this was only $381. And I said, you can't beat that compared to GM trying to charge me over $2 grand. So, that was a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. So, we'll get these installed and we'll see if they're good or not. But I mean, can't beat it. And I really needed them because when I hit the brakes, the car is just shaking. So that vibration. So we'll see how it feels with these on. I mean, I've seen some pretty good reviews. People said they're really good. So I should be good to go. So like I was saying, I went to the dealership and they told me that my rotors were warped. And I was like, okay, you know, he explained to me what caused the rotors to be warped. And I was like, okay, well, can you price me some new rotors and brakes? I might as well get both. You know what he told me? He said for some new rotors and brake pads, it would cost around $2,300. I was like, $2,300? I'm not paying that shit for no OEM brakes or rotors. So I got online and did some research, and I saw a lot of guys in the Camaro forums talking about, you know, R1 Concept rotors and brake pads. So I got them. The ones that I got, they're slotted and drilled. And I know a lot of people have their own opinions about slotted and drilled rotors, but I couldn't pass up this opportunity because the day I bought them on the website, they were on the website, it was a 30% sale on the whole website. So, you know, I put everything together. Well, it actually came as a bundle, the rotors and the brake pads. So I went on the website, I clicked everything, total came out to like I think it was $580. But with that 30% discount, that dropped the price back down to $381. I will be a fool not to buy that. New rotors and brake pads. So I jumped on that deal quick as possible. So I have them, they're in my trunk right now. So I'm on my way to this, I forget what they call it. It's like a service center. It's in my city that I'm in. It's real small, but they're gonna put them on the Berserker, and yeah, hopefully, you know, they'll work great because I've seen some good reviews on it. So once we get them installed, I'm gonna do a walk around. But yeah, these brakes, it's getting real bad. And well, not the brakes, but the rotors are getting real bad. And you know, that's kind of dangerous to be driving around with your rotors warped. And mine's have to be warped pretty bad because the car is shakes like crazy. So I'm glad these finally came in and I'm getting them changed out. Plus those rotors will give the car, you know, a new look. So man, I'm ready to get it installed and we're almost here. So yeah. Yep, here we go. Damn, this thing is loud. Sheesh. And we are pulling up right now. Damn, bitch, you ain't gonna stop, man. Pulling up. Oh man, so yeah, pulling up and about to walk inside, so I'll see you guys in a few. All right, what's going on YouTube? And we're back. So I literally just picked the car up. As you can see, there's the Goodyear in the back. So the guy informed me, you know, take it easy on the brakes. Don't be going 100 miles an hour, you know, trying to thinking you're gonna make a quick stop, because you're not. So right now I'm just trying to, you know, get a feel for it, see how they feel, you know. So let's see. We're coming up to a stop right here at this next light. So let's see. Oh yeah, that is much smoother, man. Way better. Man, these brakes and rotors, sheesh, was well needed. Well needed, man. It's ridiculous. So now I have no vibrations, none at all from right now. I mean, and that's a good thing. But what I noticed a few moments ago when I was inspecting, like on the outside of the car, inspecting the rotors and everything, I noticed that it kind of chipped some of the paint off of my brake calipers. So if you guys pay attention to my videos, then you'll know that my brake calipers are painted silver to match the car. So once I get back to the house, I'm on my way to the house now, it's only like 5 minutes away. Once I get back to the house, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, how they chipped the paint. Because the paint was not chipped when I took it there, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, the paint is chipped now, so I'm like, you know, it's always something. But I mean, I plan on, you know, getting my calipers painted again anyway, because I got major plans for the Berserker for next year. You know, I'm thinking about doing a wrap. I'm going to get my rims repowder coated. You know, just a whole bunch of things. Get my brake calipers redone. Get some more carbon fiber pieces in the interior. Get the actual real carbon fiber in the interior. Get some carbon fiber door handles, carbon fiber side mirrors, and probably the carbon fiber antenna that goes on the top of the car. So, you know, I got major plans for the Berserker for next year. I'm trying to bring a whole different look because I go to a whole bunch of car shows. So, hey, I'm trying to have the hardest Camaro out here in the Kansas City, Missouri area. So, I mean, already I think I have the nicest looking Camaro, but once I get all this other stuff done, I'm gonna be top notch, next level type, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're almost to the crib, and you know, yeah, the brakes are fine. There's no more vibrations, no more shaking. So yeah, man, I can't complain. That was a good buy, you know, for $380, like I mentioned a couple times in the video already. All right, YouTube, so we're back. So like I said, they're installed on the car, they look good, but what I was saying is, see how they scraped up my brake calipers? Scraped all the paint off them bad boys. I'm like, yo, that shit wasn't like that before they fucking installed it. So, you know what I mean? So let's check out these other ones, because I didn't check out these, but I'm pretty sure if one is scraped, then they're probably all got a little scrape. Yep. Let's see. Yeah, you see over there on the sides. Let's see how bad these are on this side. This one doesn't look bad at all. It's just dusty as hell. This one doesn't look too bad either, just dusty as hell too. But like I said, I mean, you know, the rotors, they look good on the car, so yeah, man, they look good against the car, you know. Definitely a nice, better look, you know. So yeah, man. Yes, sir. So that was a good little investment, you know. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like the ride is even better with these new rotors and brake pads. Just the whole feel, I don't know, man, it's crazy. I don't know if it's just me or what, but the whole ride experience feels a lot better than what it used to be with my dang warped rotors. I'm so glad I got these put on, man. Great investment, man, great investment. So if you guys are looking for new brakes and rotors, hey, give R1 Concepts a hit up. I mean, hit them up, check them out, man. You won't be disappointed. So yeah, man, I really like the way that the rotors and brakes, you know, came out. They drive well. You know, I'll test it out the next few weeks. Maybe I'll come back and do another update video to keep you guys posted on that. But yeah, I would recommend them to anybody. So most definitely, if you guys want to get a copy, if you guys want to get a set of these brakes and rotors, I will leave a link in the description to where I ordered it from. They probably should have sales, you know, going on for Black Friday and, you know, the next couple holidays. So yeah, definitely check them out. And yeah, man, so I'm just gonna end the video here, you know. So if you like what you guys saw, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Good feedback, bad feedback, any feedback is good feedback. Turn that bell notification on. I'm gonna try to start posting more videos. I'm gonna at least try one video a month, because, you know, like I'll be so busy. I'm gonna try my best, and then we'll see how that goes. And, you know, if that goes good, then we'll keep it consistent. We'll keep it going. So yeah, and I appreciate everybody who's still rocking with me. You know, all 408 of you guys. I appreciate that. Yeah. So until the next one, man.